Ever get so frustrated with YouTube buffering on your laptop that you want to throw it out the window? Let's fix that. First things first, let's tackle the most common culprit, your browser's cache and cookies. Imagine them as a digital junk drawer. Over time, they can slow things down. In Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and finally click Clear Browsing Data. Make sure cached images and files, and cookies and other site data are selected. Choose a time range like all time, and hit Clear Data. Repeat this for any other browsers you use. Next up, outdated graphics drivers. These are essential for displaying video smoothly. Let's update them on Windows. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click on your graphics card and choose Update Driver. Then select Search automatically for drivers. If it finds anything, let it install. If not, you might need to visit your graphics card manufacturer's website for the latest drivers. If your internet connection is a bit shaky, forcing YouTube to play in super high definition might be too much for it. On the YouTube video player, click the gear icon, which is usually in the bottom right. Then, under Quality, try selecting a lower resolution, like 720p or even 480p. You'll likely see a big improvement. Lastly, too many things running at once can hog your laptop's resources. Close any tabs in your browser that you're not actively using, and try closing any applications running in the background that you don't need. With these simple steps, you should be back to enjoying your favorite YouTube content without the frustrating lag.